Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo. If you have one of those guys, doesn't matter what model or year you have, and anything practically past 3000 fuel injected. If you are trying to find where the throttle body is located, how to fix it, how to remove it, stay with us. We'll explain what needs to be done and where to find your throttle body. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts to use for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. So let's explain what we have here, and what we'll be working on now. So this is a Fiat, Fiat 500, but the engine in that Fiat, actually that's the Abarth, is a 1.4, has been using multiple Fiat and Alfa models, Fiat Grande Punto, Doblo, Fiat 500, Alfa Romeo 147, Giulietta, Mito, many models. But even if you have a different engine, procedure will be about the same. So, and some common mistakes people make, we will explain that as we go. When you open the hood, you need to locate where the intake and the exhaust manifold is located on your Fiat or Alfa Romeo. Exhaust is right here where the turbo is, that's where the hot air, the exhaust gas comes out of the car. The intake manifold is where the car gets its air from. On the intake manifold, on the very usually right side, you will have a device that's known as a throttle body. It's connected to the intake hose on the other side. You can see right here, this is the intake hose, and practically the air that goes through the engine, inside the engine, goes through the throttle body. The purpose of the throttle body, guys, it's pretty simple. It regulates how much air the engine is getting. Also, it regulates the RPMs, so practically by allowing more or less air. It has a motor right here that opens and closes the valve. Now, if you have a bad throttle body, I will always recommend to remove and clean it. We have a special video that explains how to clean throttle body. It will not cost you almost anything, and that can solve your problem. Number 2, guys, inspect the wiring harness as well. If you need to remove it, you need to disconnect the intake hose. You just have one clamp that you need to remove, disconnect the wire, and usually you will have four bolts or 4 nuts. You get those loose and the throttle body will come out. Make sure you do not drop anything in the intake manifold, such as a tool, nut, racks, anything like that, because it will be sucked in the intake manifold. It will go to the intake valves inside the engine and it will destroy your engine. So you have to be super careful. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.